Hello, my name is Kelly Gatling, and I'm a product trainer for DocuSign University. Today, I'm here to help you find more value out of your DocuSign account by extending its capabilities using the out-of-the-box integration we have with Salesforce. This video will focus on the DocuSign Apps Launcher package installation into Salesforce, and then connecting your DocuSign and Salesforce accounts. In order to install the app from the Salesforce App Exchange, you must have a Salesforce account connected to a Salesforce Trailblazer account. For demonstration purposes, I will be working from a Salesforce developer account and DocuSign developer account, but the overall process will be the same if you are working with a DocuSign production account. I will begin in my Salesforce account, where I will navigate to the App Exchange. Here, I will search for DocuSign and choose the DocuSign CLM for Salesforce package. You can also search for and select the DocuSign for eSignature Salesforce package or the DocuSign Gen for Salesforce package, and the installation and connection process will be the same. Once you are on the app page, click Get It Now. After checking to make sure it's the right username for the Salesforce account I'm working with, I'll select Install in Production. If this was a Sandbox account versus a developer account, I could install in a Sandbox account. Scroll down and review the profile details. Select the checkbox that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. If visible, you will click Confirm and Install. The button may say Contact Me, in which you should click to contact someone on the CLM side to proceed with the installation. After proceeding with the installation, Salesforce may ask you to log in again. From here, I'll toggle to Install for all users, and then I'll click Install. And you'll have to click Yes to grant these third-party websites access, and then click Continue. Now, it can take up to 5 minutes for the installation to finish. Eventually, the page will time out and you will receive an email once successfully been installed. This is the email you receive once the package has been successfully installed. To confirm, in Salesforce, use the Quick Find window to search for installed packages and then click on Installed Packages. Verify that the DocuSign Apps Launcher package has been installed. Next up, let's connect our Salesforce and DocuSign accounts. From Salesforce, click on the Apps Launcher button and then click View All. From the Salesforce Apps Launcher, click on the DocuSign Apps Launcher tile, which has now been installed as part of the package. The Connect DocuSign to Salesforce screen loads. Select Allow Access, and then you may have to log into your Salesforce account. Otherwise, just confirm that this is you and then click Allow. If connecting to a production DocuSign account, click on Log into DocuSign. If connecting to a DocuSign demo account, expand Advanced Options and click Log into Demo Account. Select Allow Access from the next page. Put in your username and password from the next page and click Login. Select the DocuSign account you want to connect to and then click Next. After successfully connecting your Salesforce and DocuSign accounts, you will be redirected to the DocuSign Apps Launcher homepage Setup tab, which walks through setting up Salesforce in order to start generating agreements from Salesforce. Just note, this screen will look slightly different depending on which app, CLM, eSignature, or Gen, was installed. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough today, and be sure to check out more content like this out on the DocuSign University Learning Portal. Bye!